The farm animals. Shweta and Shankar reached the farm with their mother. Their mother had always sang them the song, Old Man MacDonald's Had a Farm. This was their first time. They were excited. They looked for an old man but found a young man in the farm. He welcomed them. The young man was called Raghu. Raghu took them through the farm. First, he showed them the cowshed. There were a few cows. Shweta and Shankar said, "Moo, moo." The cows also said, "Moo, moo." Shweta and Shankar saw a few chicken and roosters. Raghu asked, "How do the roosters crow?" Shweta and Shankar winked at each other and said, "Kokorakoko, kokorakoko." A rooster stood on the rooftop and crowed, "Kokorakoko, kokorakoko." Shweta and Shankar again crowed. The rooster also crowed with them. "Oink oink, oink oink," Shweta and Shankar said. "That's the sound of the pigs, isn't it?" "Yes," said their proud mother. Shweta and Shankar closed their eyes and said, "We will walk with our eyes closed and walk in their direction." "Oink oink, oink oink," Shweta and Shankar said. "Is that to our left, right, east or west?" Mother said, "If that is so confusing, I will guide you. To your left. Now right. Straight. Walk up. Careful. Walk down. Open your eyes." They saw the pigs right in front of them in the mud. While they watched the pigs, few goats and sheep ran around them. Shweta and Shankar ran behind the goats and sheep. Shweta lifted a kid. Shankar lifted a lamb. They kissed them and said, "Ba, ba, ba." Raghu said it was time for him to go and milk the cows. He said, there were more animals like horse, donkeys, and ducks. Maybe you will have to go by yourself. Mother walked them to the neigh horse. The horse ran and the man was about to catch it. By the small pond, they saw a duck shout, "Quack, quack, quack, quack." 3 ducks ran towards their mother and jumped into the water shouting, "Quack, quack, quack."